Hey, welcome to another one of my vlogs, and this is the vlog of the day after the snow fell. Check it out. Okay, so I'm packing my fanny pack, getting ready to go out for the snow. And we're gonna be walking around for a bit because my family lives around me. So I got from Home Depot these flashlight headgears. I got 3 of them, $9.97 for 3. I got these small flashlights, $9.97 for 3. And I got my headphones. I'm packing extra socks for my son because he will probably get his socks soaked. This is not our first time doing this, so we're not new, we true. I'm packing extra gloves for both me and my son because somehow they always get soaked. But everybody has a dryer, so I may not need to do that because we're gonna probably stay at each house a little bit before we leave back out. My sister is making cornbread and chili. My mom is frying chicken. I already made stew and apple pie yesterday, and well, this sale. I already made stew and apple pie and barbecue chicken yesterday, so I gotta work tomorrow. But baby, we gonna get out in these streets and have us a time on today in the snow. So I'm so excited, y'all. If you can't tell, I'm so excited. I got my gum, because I always gotta have gum with me, because I just like chewing gum. And I like fresh breath. They got a small vial of perfume because that's just me. Got my hat. Okay. And I think that's all. I think that's all that's going in here. That's all they can fit too. But yeah, we are ready. I got on my lawn johns. I'm about to put on my clothes. Or maybe I'll come back and show y'all what I'm looking like. I'm gonna be a whole bum and happy about it. But I got my fanny pack that I usually use in the summer for park walks with my son. My line sister gave me this for my birthday one year. I just love it. She brought it from Africa. So, yay. Thanks to my tray. But anyway, I'll be back. So, I done put my jeans on top of my lawn johns. And I'm about to put on my thick sweater. Boy, go over there. And, away from the camera, taking off your clothes here. And, about to put on my thick sweater. And get my hat on. Okay, I'm headed out. Anybody else got this stuck in their head? I've been singing that all day. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Dreary Lane. And this is just footage of us walking through our neighborhood, walking past my father's house, just adventuring out to see what was going on, how messy the streets were, and allow my son to get a chance to just act a fool in the snow. The last time it snowed a good bit, he was 2, and so this was great for him because he didn't remember that, and he will remember this snow. Look at him, he's so cute. After we got back from walking around, I fixed him some hot chocolate and I made myself some of that stew from the previous video and some good old apple pie because it was cold and we needed to defrost ourselves after that walk. After we thawed out a bit, we went back out to my mom's house because we ain't got no sense, and my sister had set up a cake pop section for my son to make cake pops. We dropped off some of them at his friend's house on the way home, and by then it was dark, so we got to pull out those head flashlights that I was so pressed for us to have because I remembered from that last snow when he was 2 how he was saying it was dark and he couldn't see. So look, there we go. And that's me with my head flashlight, literally about to fall, trying to walk over a huge mound of snow. And then this is me cutting up in my mother's living room. I love to act a fool and make her laugh. And my grandmother, she's passed on, but I used to do the same thing for her, just cutting up and talking stupid, just to make everybody laugh. But that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.